everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Banggood app not working. So if your Banggood application is also not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to fix it. So first of all, what you need to do is go to Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar. Now type in Banggood. Tap on the search icon. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find the Banggood application right over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your app is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to see update option over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Since my app is already updated, I can see open option over here. Once you have updated your app should start working now. If it is still not working, what you have to do is clear the cache of your app, go to settings. You can see over here settings is opened. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option for storage. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At first you'll be able to see the option for apps. All you have to do is tap on it. Now app storage is opened. All you have to do is find Banggood application. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the top right corner just near the three dots. Now search for Banggood. Banggood app will be visible over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on clear cache option. You can see over here the cache is cleared. So after the cache of your application has been cleared, your app should start working now. If it still does not work, uninstall the app and reinstall it again. After that, your app should start working now. So that is how you fix Banggood application not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.